Hey YouTube again, this is Raging Inside. I wanted to introduce you to the newest member of my family, Kitty. Say hi. Kitty is a little baby kitten. He's still teething. He's got most of his teeth. He's a very good kitty. Sometimes he acts like he's a dog. He guards me. He's like literally a bodyguard. Right now he's looking for Tiger. Tiger has been in a couple of my videos, usually in the background, chilling on my bed. And Kitty is about to bolt literally out of my hand. Kitty, you gonna talk? He's very, very vocal. This cat is so vocal. Kitty, where are you going? Where's Tiger? You wanna go play with Tiger? You wanna go play with Say hi. Kitty. Kitty. No, Kitty. Kitty is ready to go. Okay, that's it. Say bye. Bye. I want to eventually make a channel showing how they play. They're very, very playful, especially late at night and early in the morning hours. Kitty loves to wrestle with Tiger. He plays with anything inside, basically anything. Let's see if I can get his attention right now. He just wants to go. I think he sees himself on the computer and he probably thinks it's another cat. Hey Kitty! I woke him up, so he's a bit cranky. Hey Kitty! Kitty! Yeah! Here you go. Okay, now he's talking. Now he's saying no. You wanna get down? Okay. You wanna go see Tiger? Oh, okay, so say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, see? He's very verbal. If he goes to the windowsill and he sees birds, he just starts meowing like really, really loud. It's like he's yelling at the birds. And he's usually louder than that. He's really, really loud. He's saying no to me, so I'm gonna put him down. Okay. Bye, Kitty. Bye, little kitty. Give me a kiss. Love you. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys my new addition to my family. I'm not sure of his age yet. I'm guessing he might be between around 4 or 5 months because I found him. Somebody threw him out in the street in the freezing 20 degrees weather right before Christmas, and I knew he's a house cat because he already knew how to use the litter box when he got here. He knew how to use a scratch mat. So somebody had him, didn't want him, and chose to throw him out, and that's not cool. You don't do that to any animals. You don't do it to anybody. That's not cool, especially animals, because you know they were here before us. You have to respect God's creatures. I like animals, especially cats. Dogs, when I was little, I did like dogs, but I don't think dogs are good for apartments. It's better for me to have a house with a front yard and a backyard. It's not good to keep a dog cooped up in an apartment. With him, I want to take him out and have him, he needs a lot of exercise because he has a lot of energy. Thank God I have a really long hallway. I think that's why my previous videos, when I'm singing, it kind of like, I don't know, it's like kind of almost echoey kind of. But my hallway is really long, and so he runs back and forth with the older one, back and forth, goes through the living room, comes through my room, the kids' room. He's just all over the place. The other one now, Tiger, he's 8 and he's pretty old. He just wants to lay down, sleep, and chill. That's what he wants to do. When this one hears Tiger on the way down the hall, he goes straight for him. He starts tackling him, play fighting, wrestling. I have some videos I've made on my camera, but I'm having a lot of technical difficulties with my computer at the moment, so I don't know when I'll be able to do post a video of them, but hopefully very soon, because he's getting bigger and bigger as the weeks go by, and as I said before, his teeth in. He's starting to get he has when I first found him, his teeth at the front, the 8 at the 4 at the top and bottom, they were just coming through the gums, and now they're already through the gums, and I've had him now for about 2 months. Yeah, 2 months. I found him right before Christmas, like December 19th or something like that. So yeah, and his fangs are in, and then he has teeth coming in behind the fangs, and I give him baths. I don't know, I think he's obsessed with the shower. He likes warm water. When we go to take a shower, particularly my daughter and my son, he goes into the tub, and he pulls the curtain, moves the curtain out of the way, and he just watches the water coming down. Like, I really think he wants to take a shower, but when I give him baths, he fights me for 2-3 minutes, and then when he feels how nice and warm the water is, he just chills for a second. He calms down, you know. I do trim his front nails, the front paws. The nails go very fast. So, trim his nails, play ball with him. Kitty, where's the ball? Kit, where's the ball? And the reason why I call him Kitty, I'm usually really good with naming cats, pets in general. But when I call him Kitty, he responds. So why would I change his name? My brother is like, you need to give him a name already. He responds to Kitty. So why would I call him something else? I mean, my kids, they were calling him Momo, and he was just looking at me like, I know they ain't calling me Momo. And you call him Kitty, he either responds or he will literally come to you. So, but yeah, that's it for now. Just wanted to make a little video of my little kitty kitten, Kit Kat, Kit Kit. For now, he's Kit Kit, Kitty the kitten. Guess older he'll be Kit Kat. But that's it for now. Have a great day. Bye.